Section 1, Dawn in Africa, The Rise of Australopithecus, written by Neil deGrasse Tyson, Cosmos, A Space-Time Odyssey. Our story begins in the heart of Africa, millions of years ago. This land, rich in history and teeming with life, was the cradle of our earliest ancestors. Picture a world vastly different from our own, a world where the landscape was untamed and the air was filled with the sounds of ancient creatures. The cradle of humanity, the African continent teemed with diverse life forms. From towering trees to vast grasslands, it was a land of immense biodiversity. Among them were a remarkable group of hominins known as Australopithecus. These early beings roamed the land, adapting to their surroundings and carving out a niche for themselves. These early ancestors hold a crucial place in the grand narrative of human evolution. They were the bridge between the primitive past and the promising future. Australopithecus, meaning southern ape, earned their name from their discovery in South Africa. Their fossils tell a story of survival, adaptation, and evolution. They represent a pivotal stage in our evolutionary journey. Their existence marked a significant milestone in the development of traits that would define humanity. These hominins possessed a defining characteristic that set them apart from their predecessors, the ability to walk upright on two legs, a trait known as bipedalism. This was not just a physical change, but a revolutionary adaptation. This revolutionary adaptation, walking upright, brought about a cascade of changes. It altered their posture, their way of moving, and even their way of thinking. It freed their hands to use tools, albeit rudimentary ones. These tools, simple as they were, represented the dawn of technology and innovation. It allowed them to venture further, expanding their horizons and foraging grounds. They could explore new territories, find new food sources, and adapt to different environments. It fundamentally reshaped their interactions with the environment, setting the stage for the emergence of later hominins. Their ability to adapt and thrive in diverse conditions laid the groundwork for future generations. The legacy of Australopithecus lies in their pivotal role in our evolutionary lineage. They were the pioneers who set the stage for the development of more advanced hominins. They were pioneers, the first to take those tentative steps towards becoming human. Their journey was fraught with challenges, but their resilience and adaptability ensured their survival. Their story is a testament to the power of adaptation, a driving force that continues to shape life on our planet. The ability to adapt is what has allowed life to thrive in the face of changing environments and challenges. As we look back at the rise of Australopithecus, we see the roots of our own existence. Their legacy lives on in us, in our ability to adapt, innovate, and thrive. The journey of evolution is far from over. Just as Australopithecus adapted to their world, we too must continue to adapt to ours. The story of human evolution is an ongoing saga, with each generation building on the legacy of those who came before. Understanding the rise of Australopithecus helps us appreciate the incredible journey of life on Earth. It reminds us of our shared heritage and the remarkable path that has led to the present day. In the grand tapestry of life, Australopithecus holds a special place. Their story is a chapter in the shared human story, a reminder of our connection across time and space. As we look to the future, let us draw inspiration from the resilience and adaptability of our early ancestors. The rise of Australopithecus is not just a story of the past, but a beacon of hope for the future. Section 2, Homo habilis, the dawn of toolmakers. The saga of human evolution took a significant turn with the arrival of Homo habilis, a species that lived around 2.4 to 1.6 million years ago. This period marked a pivotal chapter in our ancestral story, as Homo habilis brought forth a new era of innovation and adaptation. Their name, Homo habilis, meaning handy man, reflects their remarkable ability to craft and utilize tools, a trait that set them apart from their predecessors. Unlike earlier hominins, who primarily relied on their physical strength and natural resources, Homo habilis demonstrated a unique cognitive leap. The appearance of stone tools marked a profound shift in human evolution. These tools were not just random stones, they were carefully selected and skillfully crafted to serve specific purposes. This innovation allowed Homo habilis to perform tasks that were previously impossible. These early humans, with their newfound skills, unlocked new possibilities for survival and adaptation. They could now hunt more effectively, process food more efficiently, and even defend themselves against predators. The ability to create and use tools opened up a world of opportunities. No longer solely reliant on their physical capabilities, they could now modify their environment to meet their needs. This adaptability was crucial in the ever-changing landscapes they inhabited. From dense forests to open savannas, imagine the scene. A group of Homo habilis gathered around a rocky outcrop. The air is filled with the sound of stones striking against each other as they work together to create tools. This communal effort not only fostered social bonds, but also facilitated the sharing of knowledge and skills. With carefully chosen stones, they strike and shape, creating sharp edges for cutting and blunt surfaces for crushing. Each tool was a product of careful thought and experimentation, reflecting the ingenuity and resourcefulness of Homo habilis. These tools, simple yet effective, became extensions of their hands, empowering them to access new food sources and navigate their challenging surroundings. They could now crack open bones to extract marrow, cut through tough plant material, and even fashion rudimentary shelters. The legacy of Homo habilis lies in their pioneering spirit. They were the first to see the potential in the raw materials around them and transform them into something useful. This ability to innovate set the stage for future advancements in human technology. They were the first to harness the power of tools, a defining characteristic of our lineage. This marked the beginning of a long journey of technological evolution that would eventually lead to the sophisticated tools and machines we use today. Their story is a testament to the boundless potential of human ingenuity, a spark that continues to illuminate our journey of discovery and innovation. The dawn of toolmakers was not just a moment in time, it was the foundation upon which the edifice of human civilization was built. Homo habilis, with their simple yet groundbreaking tools, paved the way for the incredible advancements that define our species. Section 3. Homo erectus, venturing beyond the horizon. Around 1.9 million years ago, a new chapter in human evolution began with the emergence of Homo erectus. These early humans, aptly named upright man, possessed a suite of physical and cognitive adaptations that enabled them to push the boundaries of exploration, venturing out of Africa and into new and uncharted territories. Homo erectus were trailblazers, the first hominins to migrate out of Africa, their ancestral homeland. Driven by a combination of environmental pressures and an innate curiosity, they embarked on journeys that would take them across vast distances, eventually settling in parts of Asia and Europe. Their migrations were not merely feats of endurance, they were testaments to their adaptability and resourcefulness. Homo erectus encountered diverse landscapes, from the savannas of Africa to the colder climates of Eurasia. They faced new challenges, encountering unfamiliar plants, animals, and seasonal changes. Survival in these varied environments demanded innovation. Homo erectus honed their tool-making skills, developing more sophisticated implements for hunting, scavenging, and crafting. They learned to control fire, a pivotal advancement that provided warmth, protection, and a means to cook food, profoundly shaping their social interactions and relationship with the natural world. Section 4. A new kindred unveiling the Neanderthals. In this chapter, we delve into the fascinating world of our ancient relatives, the Neanderthals, who roamed the Earth long before modern humans. As Homo erectus ventured across the globe, a new human species emerged in Europe and parts of Asia, the Neanderthals. These early humans were not just wanderers, they were pioneers, adapting to new environments and leaving their mark on the world. These close relatives of modern humans, named after the Neander Valley in Germany, where their remains were first discovered, thrived for hundreds of thousands of years. They left behind a rich tapestry of archaeological and genetic evidence that continues to captivate scientists and the public alike. Their bones, tools, and even traces of their DNA tell a story of survival, adaptation, and innovation. Neanderthals were a resilient and adaptable species, well suited to the challenges of their Ice Age environment. They developed physical traits and behaviors that allowed them to endure the cold and harsh conditions of the time. They were skilled hunters, using spears and other tools to bring down large game. Their hunting strategies were sophisticated, involving cooperation and planning, which were crucial for their survival. They lived in social groups, caring for their young and elderly. This sense of community and cooperation was a cornerstone of their society, ensuring that knowledge and skills were passed down through generations. They even practiced symbolic behaviors, evidenced by cave paintings and the intentional burial of their dead. These practices suggest that Neanderthals had a complex cognitive and cultural life, with rituals and beliefs that we are only beginning to understand. For a time, Neanderthals and modern humans coexisted in Europe and Asia. This period of coexistence was marked by both competition and cooperation, as these two species interacted in various ways. Recent discoveries in genetics have revealed that these two human lineages even interbred, leaving a lasting legacy in the DNA of many modern human populations. This genetic mingling has provided us with valuable insights into our own evolutionary history. The story of the Neanderthals is a reminder that our evolutionary past was not a linear progression, but a complex tapestry of interconnected branches. Each branch represents a unique path of adaptation and survival, contributing to the rich diversity of human history. Their extinction, around 40,000 years ago, remains a subject of ongoing research. Scientists continue to explore the factors that led to their demise, including climate change, competition with modern humans, and possible diseases. Understanding the nature of their interactions with our own ancestors can shed light on the broader narrative of human evolution and survival.